Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to record uh, how to create and deploy SQL database on Azure. So as part of this lab, we have two tasks to complete. First task is to complete, the first task is to create a database, and the second task that we will perform is to test the database. So I hope guys in you have gone through my previous video of AG900 series, and which has definitely helped you enhance your knowledge level, and this video will also help you definitely. So uh, if you have not if you have not subscribe to my channel, requesting you to please subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned and stay updated. And if you need any video on any specific a specific topic, you can let me know. If possible, I will definitely try my best to upload those video, record and upload those video as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Switching back to my portal.azure.com. So first of all guys, make sure that you log in, you have your valid subscription, and use your account to log into portal.azure.com, and make sure that you have selected the right directory. And in the search box over here, as you can see, the first thing that you need to search is the SQL database. So search SQL. Now you can see the first option is SQL database. Click on it here, and now you see we have the option here, create. Now Now, as you can see here, you have to specify your subscription. Select your resource group. If you have any existing resource group, select that one. Otherwise, create a new resource group. So I say test one as usual. And here we have to specify a name for our database. So type as you want, db1 or something, anyone. And here you can see that server. So you need to, if you have your servers already, it's okay. Otherwise you have to click on create new. So click on the create new, and here you need to specify a server name. So when you specify server name, make sure that you use a unique name over here. So you need a unique name for your server. So I say SQL SVR1. So this name has been already used. Now select your location where you want to deploy, and authentication. So I am going with this use SQL authentication, and here we need to specify a username. So I say SQL user, and I am going with the password. So now I have specified these things. Now click on OK. Now as you can see that there are some other options available. So you can select the one you want, redundancy options, whether you want LRS, ZRS or GRS. Based on your company requirement, you can select one. And you can see here we have the compute options, which size you want. You can select your specific size. Now go to the next option, networking, and here you can see this, there are options for network connectivity, no access, or what you want. So we are going with the public access, and in the public access you can see that there are some options like Azure, allow Azure service and the resource to access the server, yes. Add current client IP address, so keep it as default. And here you see this connection policies. So based on your requirement you will select the one. By default we are going with the default selections. And also you can see the TLS encryption mechanism, which is in the latest one. Okay, TLS 1.2, so keep this one as default. Switch, go to the next option, which is security. Now in the security you can see that there are certain default configurations already available. If you want to select any one you can select, depending on your requirement you will go. So you can see that Microsoft Defender for SQL. So if you want you can enable this one. Okay, otherwise you can accept the default settings. You can configure or accept the default one. Go to the next options. You can also have a look on the different options available on this page. So if required you configure, otherwise accept the default settings. Go to the additional settings and you can see that there are some other options available. So now use existing data, none, backup, what? Let's go with the sample one. And database collations, we are, as you can see that it is already been selected, collations. And now say next. So if you have tagging you can enable the tagging, otherwise simply you say review and create. So create. So this process may take 2 to 5 minutes. So I am going to just pause the video to keep the video length shorter. So we'll be back in couple of minutes. Thank you. Wait for. So guys, as you can see that the deployment has completed successfully. So if I go here, so you can see that our deployment is completed, and there are other options available. You can see the configuration settings that we have defined at the time of deployment. So you can see the server name and the locations, and there are many other options available here. So select the appropriate options here after you create your deployment. So if you go here, we have so click on the query editor here, and you can see that it is asking for username password. So the username password that you had used at the time of creating your account, use that credential. Now what do you see? This is the expected one. This error is expected one. Now click on overview again. And here you see this. We have to configure the firewall settings. So as you can see here, we have the set firewall option, and you can see here we have add virtual network rules, firewall rules, and you public access, private access, connectivity. So select under the public network access. So add your client IPv4. Click on this, and once it is done, save the changes. Now return back to just refresh. Switch back to our database. Now enter the username password. Now you can see that we are now connected. So we need to just write our some queries. So now I just wrote this syntaxes. Click on run, and you can see the informations. So you can see here query succeeded. So thank you guys. We have successfully completed the SQL database deployment. So thank you guys for watching this video, and hope that this video will also help you to increase your enhance your knowledge level. So guys, before you close your lab environment or your test lab environment, requesting you to please delete all the resources that you have deployed to save the cost, unnecessary cost. So look for the resource group and delete the resource group, and all the resources inside, as you know, will be deleted. So our request has been submitted successfully. So now time to say goodbye from this video, sir, and hope to see you in next video very soon. See you till then. Stay tuned, stay updated, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, requesting you to subscribe. And if you need any video for any specific topic, just let me know. If possible, I will try my best to record and upload that video as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Bye bye.